The NEC Corporation NP-PA653U LCD Projector is designed for professionals who demand high-quality visuals and reliable performance in any environment. This projector delivers a combination of impressive brightness, sharp resolution, and advanced features that make it perfect for offices, lecture halls, large meeting rooms, and event spaces. It's not just about projecting an image. It's about creating a clean, precise, and engaging visual experience that stands out. The first thing you notice is the sleek white design. It's minimalist, professional, and fits seamlessly into modern environments. But the look is only the beginning. NEC's reputation for quality shines through in the build. Everything feels sturdy, durable, and ready for heavy daily use. From the placement of ports to the design of the lens assembly, every detail has been thought through for performance and ease of use. Performance is where the NP-PA653U really excels. With a 6,500 lumen brightness rating, this projector produces clear, vibrant images even in well-lit spaces. You don't need to worry about dimming lights or controlling ambient lighting. The image remains bold and readable, from the front row to the back. Combined with WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, the details are sharp and clear, making it suitable for presentations, videos, and complex visual content. Color reproduction is another strong suit. The 3 LCD technology ensures accurate, balanced colors with no oversaturation. Whites are bright and clean, blacks are deep, and colors remain realistic across the spectrum. This level of fidelity makes the projector suitable for professional presentations, educational use, or creative applications where color precision matters. Flexibility in installation is impressive. Motorized zoom, focus, and lens shift make fine adjustments effortless, and the projector supports a variety of optional lenses. This means it can adapt to different room sizes and projection distances, from large auditoriums to smaller conference rooms. Edge blending and geometric correction add another layer of versatility, allowing multiple projectors to seamlessly create one large, immersive display without visible borders or distortions. Connectivity options cover modern requirements. HDMI, DisplayPort, and HD-Base-T inputs make it easy to connect laptops, media players, and streaming devices. HD-Base-T is particularly useful for transmitting high-quality video over long distances without signal loss, which is essential for large venues or permanent installations. Operationally, the projector is designed for convenience. A quiet cooling system ensures minimal distraction during presentations, while Eco Mode reduces energy consumption without compromising brightness or image quality. Maintenance is straightforward, with lamp life tracking and filter alerts to keep the projector running efficiently over the long term. Image processing and stability are exceptional. The scaling engine ensures smooth visuals regardless of the source, and motion is rendered clearly without blurring. The combination of hardware and software creates an experience that is both professional and visually engaging. Overall, the NEC NP-PA653U LCD projector is a high-performance, reliable, and versatile solution for any professional setting. It's perfect for boardrooms, classrooms, event spaces, or anywhere that demands high-quality projection. With bright, sharp, and accurate visuals, it's a long-term investment that delivers performance and value. If you want to buy this NEC Corporation NP-PA653U LCD Projector White, please visit the link provided in the description.